ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि।
रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यम् वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्।
சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्। ஈரொன்றுதோப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் ஆரொன்றுன பழமொழி ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரம் கோமளவும்
We are going to sentence number 12, Ragasya Ratnavali Hriday. இவனுக்கு ஆக்ஞா அனுஜ்ஞா சித்தங்களான கைங்கண்கள் எல்லாம் ஸ்வயம் பிரயோஜனங்கள் என்றது. Now ஆக்ஞா means order. Order is scriptural order. Anujna is permission. Again, religious permission, sanction of the Lord. So Siddhangalana, already the types of services are fixed. So that means we can choose from those services. So Siddhangalana Kainkaryangal ellam, all those services readily listed by the scriptures, and rather you can say smritis allowed by other books, itihasas, sutras like Apastamba and so on. Swayam Prayojanangal meaning of course of a little advantage to self, for self improvement. This has to be, these services can be done in this world. And then, so we have to take care of the purity of the food that we take, ahara shuddhi. So the intake must be pure according to Swami Vedanta Deshika's Ahara Niyamaha. There's a book called Ahara Niyamam in Tamil, and maybe it is outdated, which we feel. It doesn't include all the items of food available today. And whatever was available today, whatever was available in his times, he chose what we call sattvic items of food, sattvic vegetables and so on. So he avoided rajasic and tamasic vegetables, the vegetables that kindle our emotions and disturb us. So then achara niyamam, that is behavior, that is conduct, the daily routine. Then aparadha pariharam. So the what you call expiation or remedial action for the mistakes done. Aparadha pariharam. முதலான முன்பு சொன்ன ஆக்ஞா சித்தங்களான. So ஏற்கனவே, earlier the rules have been prescribed on the basis of caste and stage of life. So ஆக்ஞா சித்தங்களான, already available a list of orders. Varna ashramadi dharmangal. So based upon the caste, 4 castes, starting with the twice born, then ashrama, starting with brahmacharya ashrama. Celibacy, we call it celibacy. We don't call it unmarried status. We don't say bachelor. It's called celibacy. So Pandai Nalile, so we have got a list of do's and don'ts also. So Pandai Nalale, Nin Thiruvarulum, Pangayathal Thiruvarulum Kondu, Nin Koil Sheethu. So here, we have to worship the divine couple, and we resort to frequently to the temple in order to increase our devotion, commitment, the attitude of service, sense of belonging, and what we call the attitude of slavery towards the Lord. So Pandai Nalale, in ancient times, so Nin Thiruvarulum, we are addressing the Lord. So your beautiful blessings, Pangayathal Thiruvarulum, also the goddess of fortune blesses us, Kondu Nin Koil Sheethu. So we are visiting the temple in order to get the blessings of the divine couple. Ityadiyal Padiye. So as it is said, we will see the notes too later. So என்றபடியே இச்சை உள்ள போது, as per our desire, whenever we get the wish. So what should you do? Now Lakshmi Tantram 1793-94. So this is goddess Mahalakshmi's words. So Dharmangal, it's what already we saw. So Dharmangal kedadiruppadarkum, Kulathai kaarpadarkum, Kulasya palanaya, Dharma rakshanaya, Dharma abhiplavaya. We already saw Dharma abhiplavaya. Ulagathai nalvazhiyil niruthuvadarkum, in order to keep the world in the good way, that is in the right path, put the world in the right path. Shastra Varayare Nilaippadarkum, in order to keep the sciences intact, the definitions will still be followed. Then Ennudayavum, the goddess says, Ennudayavum, Emberumanudayavum, my and Lord's Mahichikahum, for our pleasure, for the divine couple's pleasure, Arinyanana Prapannan. We saw the word Vipra earlier. So Vipraha, Arinyanana Prapannan, Vipraha Prapannaha, Vedam Vidita Acharatai, the code of conduct prescribed by scriptures, Meera, in order to try. One should not even imagine or dream that we disobey the rules of the scripture. So we have Thiruvaimozhi, Pandai Nalale, Nin Thiruvarulum, Pangayathal Thiruvarulum Kondu, Nin Koil Sheethu. So the prescription of the services to be done by, especially, I think, the women folk, the ladies. So in the temple is cleaning the temple, mopping the temple, sprinkling water and mopping the temple, and put rangoli also, kolam. So make it beautiful, make it decorative, so make it clean also. So முதலில் பிராட்டியின் திருவருளை பெற்று go to தாயார் சந்நிதி, have the blessings of goddess Mahalakshmi, பின் உன் திருவருளையும் பெற்று then go to the sanctum sanctorum of the god, then உன் திருக்கோயிலை மெழுகுதல். மெழுகுதல் is called mopping. So sheath. So then different types of service also can be done in the matter of cleaning. So pal padigal in different ways. Kudi kudi vadi vandar cheyum tondar. So generations together. So it comes what you call like parampara, genesis, what you call. It comes in the race, the habit, attitude, emotion of bhakti all come in the family race, family tradition. So kudi kudi vadi vandar cheyum tondar. So these servants, tondar, what you call surrenderies, will be blessed. Aruli. Aruli. Then so what do you say in Tamil? குடும்பத்தோடு அடிமைப்பட்டுள்ள எங்களை சோதிவாய் திறந்து. Shodivai. Shodivai, here it is bright mouth, meaning the good mouth with, to bless all the servants. So un Shodivai tirandu. Why do we say Shodivai? Vedanta Deshika says in Bhagavad Dhyana Sopanam, first verse, Antar Jyoti. Lord is in the form of light. The Lord is effulgent. The Lord is bright in every aspect. So his mouth is also bright. In the sense, positive, blissful, and so on. So திறந்து உன் திருக்கண்களால் நோக்கி அருள வேண்டும். So this is the natural native place of Nammalvar. In his Thiruvaimozhi 9:1, he says Tiruppulikodi Emmani. So he was found under the tamarind tree. So he said Tiruppuliyangudi. So he was staying till his life, end of life, under the tree, tamarind tree. So even now we can have a darshan of the tamarind tree. So Tiruppulikodi Emmani. So now the devotees seek the blissful look. திருக்கண்களால் நோக்கி அருள வேண்டும். So தாமரை கண்களால் நோக்காய் திறந்து உன் ராமன் திருப்புலி ஆழ்வார். So திறந்துன் தாமரை கண்களால் நோக்காய் தெண்டிரை பொருநல் தன்பனை சூழ்ந்த திருப்புலிக்குடி கிடந்தானே. So this is a particular deity in the Divya Kshetram of Tiruppulikudi, Tiruppulingudi. So we have very, very beautiful southern breeze, gentle breeze. Then the area is fully rich in flora. So Tan, it is cool place. So Tan Panai Shunda Tiruppulingudi Kadandani. We shall try to see if there are some special meanings next session. We will go to the next page. So 160. So this is Kainkaryangal Sheyyavumam. So we have to do the services prescribed in scriptures, sutras, Grihya Sutras, what I call sutras for householders, married people, in all the stages of life also, brahmacharya and other stages of life. Then according to the caste also. So அது இல்லாத போது, supposing it is not possible, so தவிரவும் மாம்படி ஏற்றமாக நிற்கின்ற, so what are the services available? ஏற்றமாக நிற்கிற, that means they are also unique, they are also good services. So antara, so intermittently, that is in between. So if you want to clean the temple, then do it with all kinds of accessories. Sprinkle water and clean the temple. That's called mopping the temple floor, mopping the floor. Decorating the floors with rangoli, colorful kolam. Then now you can buy other types of services. What are the other types of services? Antara meaning in between. Guna. So we can sing the song Stuti of God and the goddess. So you can remember the precious characteristics of the divine couple. So go on imitating, and you can also behave like the divine couple, namely you can follow those qualities also. Stuti, you can adore them. Sankirtanam, can sing on them, you can do bhajan. Then lastly, you can also mix it with sammarjanam, sweeping. Sammarjanam is cleaning, you can also say sweeping. The broomstick is called sammarjani. விளக்குமாறுன்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, விளக்குமாறு, அது வந்து சம்மார்ஜனின்னு பேர் சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ the teacher uses a duster on the blackboard, that's called marjani. It erases the letters on the board. So marjani, duster. We have now got pen, stylus pen to be used on the monitor screen, glass window of electronic gadgets. Then upalepanam. Upalepanam is you add some what we call chemicals. In those days only cow dung. Cow dung was the disinfectant. Cow dung is a disinfectant. It is what you call, it is put in the water. A lot of cow dung is put in the water. Then antiseptic, yes. The கரைக்கிறது, இந்த சாணியை பசுஞ்சாணியை தண்ணீர்ல கரைச்சு, and then upalepanam. Then you can take the flowers in the garden, or your garden, or temple garden, or say they buy from the shops. So what do? Malakaranam. You string garlands. Malakaranam. So then Deepa Aropanam. Wherever there are lamps, குத்து விளக்கு எங்கெங்க இருக்கும், அது விளக்கை ஏற்றி வைக்கிறது. விளக்கை ஏற்றி வைக்கிறதுன்னா எண்ணெயும் குத்தி, so add oil or ghee, especially ghee in sanctum sanctorum. But we will not be able to go into the sanctum sanctorum. சந்நிதிக்கு உள்ள போக முடியாது. அதனால so whatever lamp is available outside, we fill it up with the right material like ghee, costly. So many other oils, and then light them, light the lamps. Deepa Aropanam. Maybe at the end of the closing the temple, then we have to also put out the lamps. That also can be done. So these are all services. Kainkariyalallam. So we are doing these services to whom? Sarva Vida Bandhuvana Sarvaswami Inudiya. So he is all types of relationship with us. Mata, Pita, Yuvatayas, Tanaya, Vibhutihi. We say in about while starting with Alvar's Divya Prabandham recitation, we say Tadanvayanam Adyasya Nakulapater Bakulabhiramam Srimat Tadangriyugalam Pranamami Murdhna. So how are they? Alvars, Acharyas, everybody. Mata, Pita, Yuvatayaha. Amarvartani. That's why I remember, because Tiruvayamazhi we are now quoted. We are seeing the quotation here as well as. So Lord is the mother, father, Mata Devi, Tamasi Bhagavan, Vasudeva Pitami. Tameva Mata cha Pita Tameva. Tameva Bandhuscha Gurus Tameva. Athava Sakhat Tameva. So everything is Lord. So Sarva Vida Bandhu. He is related to us in every way. Of course, we have got only 9 categories mentioned, fixed. Then Sarvaswami, he is all master, omnipotent. So Sarvaswami, he is boss, only boss are all for all. Sarvaswami. Then what should we do for this? I mean, what is the purpose of our Kainkaryam service? Sampriti Hetu. Not only Priti Hetu, Sampriti Hetu. It should satisfy our services should satisfy the divine couple maximum. So Sampriti. So giving them utmost satisfaction. Sampriti Hetu. In turn, they will show affection towards us. But without the expectation of their showing affection towards us, our service must be sincere, faithful, complete, and so on. So it is like, so parallel. So Anurakta Bharyadigaludeya Pati Shushrushanaadigal Polavu. Since the relationship between the individual soul and the Supreme Soul is Patni Pati, wife and husband. So here we are talking of old generation, namely wives serving the husbands. Anurakta Bharya. Bharya meaning responsible wife is called Bharya. She is taking care of the financial budget of the family and also everything else. Especially he manages with the income of the husband. She doesn't go for a job. So it's a single income to the family. And she doesn't get loan, get into some trouble. So she doesn't do it. So she manages with the available funds. And that kind of responsible wife is called Bharya. Patni meaning, Patni will be assisting in the religious rituals, especially Homa, Yagas, and so on. In all the religious functions of at home, she will be assisting, that is giving all types of supply, all types of materials required to the husband and be with him, be near him to assist. So it's called Patni. So Kalatram, there is another word for wife. So she will obey implicitly the husband, Kalatram, docile wife. Then Dara, the wife will direct the husband, the wife will dominate the husband, but still she will be loving the husband. Anurakta, she will be all in love with her husband. So Bharyadi Pati Shushrushnaadhikar, service to the husband. So just like the service to the husband is done by the wife, we call it in English spouse for common. So who serves whom? Spouse serves spouse. So முக்தருடைய வியாபாரங்கள் போலவும். So we will also imitate the released souls. The released souls will be ready to do service at any time, will be ready to do any type of service at any time, will not desist from doing service, will not be indifferent towards service, will be faithful to the service, will be sincere to the service. They will take interest in doing service. So that is the attitude of released souls, muktaha. So muktaruடைய வியாபாரங்கள், வியாபாரங்கள் meaning doesn't mean business here. So வியாபாரங்கள் meaning actions, good actions. Then you all of us should say each individually, praharshayishyami. I shall make him happy. I shall make the divine couple happy. Praharshayishyami. Ennum prayojanam ஒழிய. That is the only advantage. So no other advantage except this advantage. ஒழிய except this prayojanam praharshayishyami. So மற்றொரு பிரயோஜனத்தை, மற்றொரு பிரயோஜன விசேஷத்தை கணிசிக்க வேண்டாதபடி. We are not mindful of any other advantage. So don't expect any other fruit from the service that we do. So kanishikka vendadavedi. Don't count on that any other advantage. Don't depend on any other fruit. Don't aspire for some other goal. The only goal is to make the divine couple happy. Not only happy, praharshayishyam. Make them joyful. Make them completely in what you call highest happiness. Durgatau api jatayam, number 1 is given. Then kamate vaishnavatvantu. So let us look at the text moolam for number 1 and 2. It is Jitante Stotra. So even when we are in what we call penury, say, we are poor, we have no good economic status. பணம் இல்லை, சந்தர்ப்பம் இல்லை, வாய்ப்பு இல்லை, there is no opportunity available. That's also Durgati. So when we are not able to do service to the Lord, so Durgatav api jatayam. So even when one is in bad condition, so tadgataha me manorathaha. So the devotee says now, so I am interested in you, my desire is in you, my goal is you alone, my aim is the divine couple, my destination is moksha, and so on. So me manorathaha, my desire, tadgataha, is towards you. Yadi nasham namindeta tavata asmi kriti sada. Maybe I am in a poor condition. Maybe I don't have opportunities to do service, all types of service to you. But please make me alive so that I will be of some service at some time or other. So yadi nasham namindeta. Please do not stop my service to you. Please do not put an obstacle to my service so that my service will be fruitless. So nasham na vindete. My service should not go in waste. My service should make you happy. And therefore, so nasham na vindete, it is not my destruction. It is not my destruction. It is the destruction of service. So nasham na vindete. That is enough. Tavata asmi. That is sufficient. It is enough that you ensure good service, better service, best service to you by us, by me. So don't stop my desire. Develop my desire to do service to you. And then I will be fortunate. Kriti. I will be grateful. Sada, always. I will be ever grateful to you. உனக்கு நன்றியுடையவனாக இருப்பேன். நன்றி மறக்க மாட்டேன். I will not forget your help, your blessing. So, Embarumane, this is Jitante Stotram. Jitante Stotram is often used in the temple, especially in Pancharatra Agama. We are using many shlokas of Jitante Stotram. A lot of stotras are there. It's only on appreciation of the Lord, adoration of the Lord. Stotram, Stuti. Embarumane, உன்னிடம் ஈடுபட்டுள்ள என் உள்ளம். My mind is engaged in you. எத்தகைய கஷ்ட நிலை வந்திடணும். Even though I am in a poor status condition, in the sense, opportunities are rare in doing service to you. Then மாறாதிருக்குமேயாகில் எது மாறாது? The Sanskrit, Tamil word is missing. Tamil word is missing. தொண்டு மாறாதிருக்குமேயாகில். என் தொண்டு அதுல இல்ல. Sanskrit word is not there available. Sanskrit word is not available, therefore Tamil word is also not available. So மாறாதிருக்குமேயாகில், fortunately little not very pungent remark is there, very beautiful, decent remark, decent translation is there. மாறாதிருக்குமாகில், if there is no change, what do you call, in doing service, then அதனாலேயே நான் தன்யனாகி விடுவேன். Then I will become lucky, fortunate. So again, Jitante Stotram, number 2. The previous line was Vaishnavam Kamaye Vaishnavam 2. Previously, the word Kamate is there. Kamate may be what you call Prathama Purusha, third person. Kamaye is the right way. Uttama Purusha, first person. I like, I love. Kamaye means I love. What? Vaishnavatvam. I want to be born as a devotee of Vishnu. So I want to be a Vaishnava. Vaishnavatvam. I must have the attitude of a Vaishnava. Whether I am born in any of the 4 castes, and when I follow any of the stage of life, I must follow only Vishnu. Vaishnavatvam tu Kamaye. Look at the Moolam, just 2 words, just up above the footnote. Let us see there. Footnote above. Then the original, original text. Yeah. Just again. One more line. Yes. Kamate. Still given as Kamate. It's not Kamate. Kamaye. Kamaye Vaishnavatvam. Now we will see the full verse. Jitante Stotram 1 to 13. It should be 13th one. Na kama kalusham chittam mama. You have to assure the divine couple that our mind is pure. So you can also take this way, but the na letter na is there. So you say, I don't have desires of this world. My mind, mama chittam, my mind is not polluted. Kalusham. Na kalusham. It is not polluted by the desires of this world. Na kama kalusham. Chittam mama. Where is your mind? God is asking. Te padayoho sthitam. It is under the feet of under your feet. Te padayoho, under your feet, sthitam. It stands there. My mind stands there. Firm. Doesn't move away from your divine feet. Then what do I want? Sarva janmasu kevalam. Kevalam only. Kevalam doesn't mean as we say in Tamil, MEAN. Mean. So kevalamna mattamanadunu Tamil சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். அநியாயமா இருக்கு. We misuse all the Sanskrit words in Tamil. Almost many words in Tamil. We give wrong meaning. We give negative meaning. We give unnecessary meaning.
கேவலம்
in Tamil. கேவலம்.
கேவலம்
ரொம்ப கேவலமா இருக்குன்னா மட்டமா இருக்குன்னு லோ இன் குவாலிட்டி அது இல்லை கேவலம்னா ஒன்லின்னு அர்த்தம். Who said to the Tamil people that கேவலம் meaning மட்டமானது? So now I want to be born sarva janmasu in all the births. Bhave bhave hridaya bhavane bhavaye yam bhavantam. Kundamal. In every birth, I must always be attached to your divine feet. And therefore, I want to be a Vaishnava. I want to be an Iyengar. Kamaye Vaishnavatvantu. I don't want to be an Iyer. So I want to be an Iyengar. So Iyengara Garaha is a Sanskrit. Aryaha becomes Ayyan. Aryaha becomes Ayyan. Garu comes from Telugu, becomes Iyengar. And there are so many interpretations for Iyengar. So in Tengalai Sampradaya, ladies are referred to as Ammangar. So Aryaha is Lord. Aryaha is Lord. Aryaha means gentleman. Gentleman is only a Lord. So Aryaha, respectable person. So Kamaye Vaishnavantu Sarvajanmasuke. உன் திருவடியில் ஈடுபட்டுள்ள என் மனம் இனி மற்றொரு விஷயத்தில் புகுந்து கலங்காது. I told you, you have to assure the Lord that at least in future, my mind will not aspire for something in this world. So, mama chittam kamakalusham na bhavishyati. It is not at present, it is not unpolluted. It is polluted now. But I assure you, in future, I will remove the pollution. I will dismiss the pollution. மற்றொரு விஷயத்தில் புகுந்து கலங்காது. கலுஷான dirty, அசிங்கம், டர்பிட். எரும மாடு வந்து குளத்துல இறங்கினா இந்த ஷேரு வந்து கலக்கி விட்டுரும். இந்த ஷேரு கலங்கினா அதுலயே மூழ்கின்னு இருக்கும் அதுவே எரும மாடு. அந்த மாதிரி என்னுடைய மனசு எரும மாடு மாதிரி ஆகக்கூடாது. ஸோ எத்தனை பிறவி எடுத்தாலும் உனக்கு அடிமை செய்ய பாங்கான வைணவ பிறவியே விரும்புகின்றேன். Only in this birth as Vaishnava, I will have lot of opportunities to do service. So he says, Nasthadarma, Kulashekara says, you can go to page 161. Nasthadarme navasunichaye naiva kamopabhoge yatyat bhavyam bhavatu bhagavan purvakarmanurupam. So this is that is objected to by the Jitante Stotra. According to my good deeds and bad deeds, let me get any birth. No. Purva Karmanurupam, let me get no, not according to the actions done in the previous birth. Now, but he says, the second half must be taken. Etat prarthyam. This is the only request. This is the only appeal. Etat prarthyam mama bahumatam. Most favorite request to you. Most favorite appeal to you. Etat prarthyam mama bahumatam. Where? Janma janmantarepi. What should I do? Tat padam bhorha yuga gata nischala bhakti astu. My devotion should be unchanged. Nischala. It should not be dangling. So it should not be trivial. It should not be temporary. Nischala bhakti rastu. Where? Janma janmantarepi. In all the births. Tat padam borha yugakata bhakti. My devotion should be attached towards your lotus-like pair of feet. So look at the beautiful statement of Kulashekara Alvar in Mukundamala, akin to, similar to Vedanta Deshika's Ragasya Ratnavali Hridayam. Of course, Alvars, Acharyas, all great people think alike. They have the same thoughts. So, Sarveshu Desha Kaleshu. So, we say about Ramanujacharya's fame, which should stand in good stead. We say, Sarvadesha Dasha Kale Avyahata Parakrama Ramanujarya Divyajna Vardhatam Abhivardhatam Ramanujarya Divyajna Prativasaram Ujjvala Dik Anta Vyapini Bhuyat Loka Hitaishini. So we had Sriman, we call him Sriman Shiranga Shriyam Anupadravam Anudinam Sammardhaya. Sriman, many people add one more letter there. Sriman Shriyam Anupadravam Anudinam Sammardhaya. It's a prose sentence. It is not a poem. Please understand. It is not a couplet. It is not a shloka. It's a prose sentence. Repeat it second time. Shriman Shiranga Shriyam Anupadravam Anudinam Sammardhaya. Shiranga Shriyam. Not only the limited place called Shirangam, a town, as we say, district, the entire world, Srirangam. So enhance the prosperity of the world, because Ramanujacharya's order should be brightened up every day. Ramanujacharya Ajna Prativasaram daily Ujjvala. It should become popular, famous, bright. So here, that's what you call Sarveshu Dasha Kaleshu, we said there. Here it is Sarveshu Deshakal. In all the places, in all the times, then the birth should be a Vaishnava for me. That's what. Ityadiகளின்படியே இவை தம்மையே உத்தேசித்து பிரவர்த்திக்கும்படி ஸ்வரூபேண சாதுக்களாய் இருக்கும். So Tammaye refers to Lord. So rather you can say even goddess of fortune, Mahalakshmi. So Tammaye Uddeshit. Our aim is towards the goal, namely God, the divine couple. So Uddeshit Pravartikam progresses by Swarupena with the right form. Swadukala irukkum. Should be delectable, enjoyable, tasteful, and so on. So if I am born as a Vaishnava, then in all the times and in all the places, I will be acting according to the scriptural orders, do service to the Lord and the goddess, and try to make them happy. We will see the footnote of number 1. Yes. Sarve, again, Jitante Stotram. So I told you, Sarveshu Desha Kaleshu, in all the places and time, Sarvavasthasu, in all conditions, in all statuses. Cha Achyuta, Achyuta, O Lord, Achyuta, who will never give us up in lurch, leave us in lurch, give us up. Kinkaraha asmi, I am your servant. I am asking you, Kim Karomi. The Lord is asking, have you done whatever has been already given to you as orders? Yes, yes, yes. Whether you are saying a lie or not, so you say, yes, I did my service. So far, I have been obeying you. I have been following scrupulously all your orders. I followed the scriptures. I am doing according to Shastras. Then, so now I am asking, what else to do? Kinkaraha. Kim karomi iti kinkara. The very word, as we understand in Tamil, kinkaran sonna odaniye, first thought comes to Yama Kinkaraha. We are talking of the servants of the god of death. இல்ல அப்படி இல்லை, ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. கிங்கரஹா, கிங்கரஹான்னா உடனே எரும மாட்டு மேல ஒரு கையில ஷாட்டை எடுத்துன்னு வரக்கூடியவன். அவன் தான் பார்த்தாலும் எரும மாடு மாதிரி இருப்பான், கொம்போடு இருப்பான், பயங்கரமா இருப்பான். அவன் பேர் இல்லை கிங்கரன். Whenever we want to say somebody is excellent in a subject also, பெரிய கிங்கரன்டா அப்படின்னு, he is a very learned person. There I say kinkara. That also we use positively for in Tamil, for the talent in Tamil. So Hrishikesha, special name. Achyuta is also a special name. Every name is special, but Hrishikesha mostly mispronounced. In Tamil, it is called Iridikesha. Alvar says Iridikesha. Why, I don't know. The totally changed spelling and pronunciation. Of course, meaning does not change. But you have to come to the Sanskrit word to understand. Krishikam meaning Indriyam, meaning sense organ. So all our sense organs generally mislead us, misguide us. பெருமாளுக்கு சேவை செய்ய அப்படின்னு மனசு சொன்னா கை கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது, கால் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது. அதுக்குதான் குலசேகரன் அப்பவே சொன்னார், ஜிஹ்வே கீர்த்தய கேசவம், நாக்கே கேசவனை பாடு, ஜிஹ்வே கீர்த்தய கேசவம். முரரிப்பும் சேதோ பஜ ஸ்ரீதரம், மனமே ஸ்ரீதரனை தியானம் பண்ணு. வாணித்வந்த சமர்ச்சய, ரெண்டு கையாலையும் பூ போடலாம். வாணித்வந்த சமர்ச்சய, நன்றாக அர்ச்சனை செய். வாணித்வந்த சமர்ச்சய. காது எதுக்கு? அச்சுத கதாம் ஸ்ரோத்ரத்வய சுணு. காது, ரெண்டு காது இருக்கு, கேளு, சுணு. என்ன? அச்சுத கதாம், எம்பெருமானுடைய கதையை கேளு. Hear the stories and adventures or the auspicious characteristics of the Lord. Achyuta katham protratvayattvam shunu. Krishnam lokaya lochanadvaya. Oh eyes, oh pair of eyes. My own eyes. He is addressing his own eyes. Lochanadvaya. Krishnam lokaya. Look at Lord Krishna. Look at the God. Don't look at anything else in the temple also. So we always see the bhaktas there. Krishnam lokaya, lochanadvaya. Harehe gacha angri yugma. Angri yugma. Oh, the feet, the pair of feet. Angri yugma. Angri foot, yugma 2. Oh, 2 feet. Harehe alayam gacha. Harehe Gachangri Yugma Alayam. Gachangri Yugmalayam. Jigra Grana. What is the nose part? Grana, oh nose. Muke and Gubra. Muke. Jigra, smell. Jigra Grana Mukunda Pada Tulasi. Not the Tulasi basil leaf on the plant. Not basil leaf in the garden. Not basil leaf in the shop. The basil leaf already offered to the divine feet of the Lord. Mukunda Pada Tulasi. Murdhan. O head. Murdhan. Adhokshajam Naman. Bow to the Lord. Sashtanga Namaskaram Kuru. Fall down with 8 limbs touching the ground and salute him. Sevi. So for all our Indriyas, what we call Karmendriyas and Jnanendriyas, wisdom organs and motor organs, Kulasekara Advaita prescribes actions. So also here, so we say Rishikesha, because we are addressing the Lord as Rishikesha. Oh Lord, you are the master of all your sense organs. Not only your sense organs, you should be the master of my sense organs. My 11 organs. Manas, mind, heart, and the other 11, other 10. Karmendriya, Jnanendriya. So you must be Lord of my sense organs. And then Bhuyaha, Bhuyaha, Asmi Kinkaraha. Already Kinkarosmi said, I am your servant. Tell me what to do. So he says again and again, Kinkaraha. So I remind again Goda's salutation to Goda. Goda tasye nama idam, bhuya vastu bhuya. Apadam apahartanam, apadam apahartaram, dataram sarvasampadam, lokabhiramam sriramam, bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. One saluting. Pranamya Utthaya, Punaha Pranamya Utthaya, Sharanagati Gadyam of Sri Ramanujacha.
रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यम् वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய.